I made over 935,000 Naira in 1 month from one of my service providing job on the internet. And before we go into detail, in this video today, I'm going to show you how I get started as a service provider on the internet, the type of jobs or services that I provide in order to make such amount of money, how I get high paying clients very fast on the internet, how I receive payment internationally right here in Nigeria, as well as the website that I use to learn all these high paying skills, all for free. And it doesn't matter if you don't have money to pay in order to learn one skill or the other. Today I'm going to show you the website that you can use to learn almost anything, all for free. So if you are watching me right now, you already have a skill but you don't know how to get high paying clients, kindly drop a comment in the comment section of this video so that I can see how I would help you out. And if you are watching right now, you don't have a skill but you have this particular skill that you have always want to learn but you don't know how to learn, kindly drop the skill in the comment section of this video. It may be that I already have a video that I can give you the link so that you can learn, or I would create a video explaining to you practically in detail, step by step, on how you can learn all these skills. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So how did that get started as a service provider? My name is Ijapari GYANG and I am a wonderful mother of 4 blessed kids. So I studied chemical engineering. After I graduated, I got married, had 3 kids, but all I have ever want to do is business. So in order to take business to the next level, I said I want to serve more people, and if I'm doing business, I would love to teach people how to do business. And for that note, I go all over again. I started from National Open University of Nigeria and I studied BSc in entrepreneurship and business management from 100 level till I graduated. So while I was in National Open University, everything we do is on the internet and I'm new to the world of the internet. So I bought a smartphone so that I will be able to be submitting my assignments. But as of then, I don't even know how to off data. I don't know how to subscribe for data. So if I load my recharge card, immediately everything will just start going. It was on pay as you go. So curiosity made me to ask, what else can I do to make money on the internet? So the moment I googled that, I started knowing that there are actually other things I can do on the internet to start making money, and I landed on blogging. From there, I started learning, I started reading, and I discovered different websites that I can use to start learning. And from there, that is how I landed right here. My journey is a very long one, and I have a lot of episodes that if I should share my story. So I'm just trying to let you know so that you understand that it doesn't matter who you are right now. For the fact that you are watching me, that means you can do it. If I, Ijapari GYANG, after having 3 children and while studying entrepreneurship and business management, I took in and had my 4th child. If I can do it, you can do it also. So how do I get high paying clients? I get high paying clients because I create my customer avatar. Customer avatar is like you knowing who are your target customers or your audience or your clients. Where are they located? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Are they on Twitter? Are they on TikTok? What are their demography? Where are they located? What is their age bracket? Are they male? Are they female? So you need to narrow down to know exactly who are your customers, who are your high paying clients, where they are located, and if they will be able to pay you such amount of money for the service you're providing. And for you to do that, you need to know your KLT. So what is KLT? KLT stands for know, like, and trust. People will not come buying from you if they don't know you. And how can they know you? They will know you because you put yourself out there. So if, for instance, now I discover that, okay, I want to go into graphic design and I want people that will pay me high, and I've created my customer avatar, I will locate them in some of the Facebook group, and I'll start giving tips so that they will know that I, Ijapari GYANG, I am a graphic designer. So they will know you because you put yourself out there. They will start liking you because you start giving them free tips. They will start trusting you because you will remain consistent. You cannot just join group because you want high paying clients. You post once, you post twice, and nobody DM you and you just disappear. It doesn't work that way. You need to build your KLT so that people will know you, like you, trust you in order to start paying for your product or your services. Another way I also get clients on the internet is through TikTok, and you don't have to reach up to 1,000 followers on TikTok before you join live. So I used to get clients, high paying clients on TikTok live. Like recently I joined there's this woman called Big Mama. As I see her just talking about, she just say hello to Big Mama, ask me question. So and I just joined the live and I see people asking some question, and I just drop in the comment section that I can give you tips on writing and publishing ebook and all that. And before you know, Big Mama now bring me up on the internet live, and people started asking me questions and I started answering them immediately. After, I did not stay up to 15 minutes on that live with Big Mama, but I had more than 15 people that DM me in order for me to put them through, or for me to provide one service or the other for them. So I did a detailed video on visibility on social media and wealth creation. Is an online course, but now I decide to leave it for free. I will drop it in the comment section of the video. And talking about TikTok, I have a lot of videos I've done about TikTok. So in case you are here, you don't have a TikTok account and you wonder how people do all the editing and filming and posting and all that about TikTok, I have a lot of video on that, and I'm going to link it in the description of this video. So what type of service did I provide to earn 935,000 naira within a month? And this is just a particular service that I rendered. I'm not talking about other services that I do and other income streams that I have on the internet. Is ebook publishing. All right, so and not only that, I create the ebook for these two persons. I edited the ebook, I publish it on Amazon, and I also create the ebook cover and all that. And if you watch till the end, I will show you how you can learn all these skills all for free. You don't even have to pay a dime. All right, so there is this site called Canva. I know I've been talking about Canva a lot, but I want to show you something amazing that you can also do with Canva. Okay, so like this learn right here, if you click on Canva, you come to learn, and the link to join Canva or to sign up for free is in the description of this video. And if you didn't see it, just comment Canva and I will come and personally give you the link so that you can sign in to understand how Canva work. All right, so if you click on this learn right here, you'll be able to search different amazing courses all for free, from how to write an ebook to how to create ebook cover and all that, and editing. So this is one website that I use to learn so many high paying skills that I use it to earn a lot of money, and I charge in USD. The second place I also use to learn a lot of stuff for free on the internet is YouTube. And I want to show you something, and I know a lot of people might not know how you can actually shuffle something from specific kind of persons that you understand or you resonate with in order for you to get maximum results of what you do. I'm saying all this because I know as a YouTuber, another thing that makes me to have a YouTube channel is I'm coming from a pain point. There are some things I will search and I will not see someone that will bring it down to my level the way I would understand. That is one of the things again that pushed me to start my YouTube channel. So I am kind of person that I watch some videos but I don't really understand. But if I understand a particular creator, a particular YouTuber that explains to my own level, I'll stick to that person. So this is how you can search on YouTube. Like if you come to my channel right now as you are watching, if you click right here, this is home, this is videos. So if you click on videos, you can just go through to see the videos I created. But aside from that, you can just come to this playlist. All right, so on this playlist you will see different videos that I grouped. So that means if you want to learn about email marketing, if you come to my playlist, if you click right here, you see all the videos I've made about email marketing. All right, if you want to kickstart your YouTube channel, if you click right here, you will see the videos that I've made about starting a YouTube channel and all that, and you can see all of them right here. If you come right here, you click You will learn how to create videos with Canva. If you come here about ebook creation, you will see all the videos that I've made about ebook creation right here. In this video today, all right, let me post it. As you can see, all the videos I make about ebook creation is right here. So these are the two websites I use for free to learn high-paying skills, and I look for high-paying clients online that are ready to pay me huge amount of money in order to deliver some services to them. So how did I write and publish my ebook? I have made the video, and I'm going to link it in the description of this video on how I write and publish my ebook in 24 hours or less. All the strategies, all the tools that I use. Like one of the ladies that I write and publish ebook for her that pay me, the last person right now, is she sent me voice notes and I transcribe it, and I did the research myself. I come up with the title and all that. All I did is I also signed an agreement that I am not owing any right to this product. And how much did I charge? All right, I charge 800 USD, and the second person I charge 850 USD. It is possible. It's possible, it's doable. And if you think it's a lie, you can just go on Fiverr and check how much people are willing to pay for such services. If only you can be able to put your mind down and learn. A lot of us sometimes we just watch one video and we get exhausted. Sometimes before I get to where I am right now, there are times that I don't sleep at night. I wake up 12 midnight to 4 a.m. in order to exhaust the free data that my service provider give me, so I can go 4 hours watching videos. So I do not get here by just sleeping and waking up one day or watching just one video. Even as I am right here, I know there are a lot of people that are aspiring to be me, and I'm also aspiring to be like others. So I'm also constantly learning. I watch videos. There are times that I can go 6 hours watching videos, learning, practicing, and all that. So there is a lot of work that you need to put in. All right, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. If you are watching me right now, you can ask yourself, what is that one thing that you can do right now that can solve other people's problem? You need to position yourself in the place where people that need your services are located. Okay, so this is the service that I do. 850 USD and 800 USD. If you calculate it, currently USD to Nigerian Naira is at 480. I changed it in black market, 580. Sorry, 580. So I did the calculation right here. $800 times 550 is around 493,000 Naira, and times 800 is 465,600. So if you remove the charges, that is how it sum up to 935,000 Naira and some little changes. That is one. Then the other thing I also want to show you is how I receive payment, because I know as a Nigerian there are a lot of people that are struggling on how to receive payment. So one of the international way people receive money on the internet, especially when you're providing service, is through PayPal. But the truth is that PayPal is not working in Nigeria. So what other ways do you have? So I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can accept payment right here in Nigeria without much headache. Number 1 is Payoneer, and I'm going to link it in the description of this video, or if you can't find it, you can also ask and I'll just type Payoneer link and I'll give you the link so that you sign up for Payoneer. So when you have a Payoneer, through Payoneer you can link your local bank account with your Payoneer account so that people can be able to make payment to you even via PayPal. But the Payoneer are going to remove their charges, but you also get your own cut or share. That's one way I receive money on the internet. The second way I receive money on the internet is through Bitcoin. Not Bitcoin, let me just say through cryptocurrency. So in the cryptocurrency there's something called USDT, but on that one you need to get verified on Binance. It's Binance that I use, and again I have detailed video that I'll talk about how to buy, how to sell, how to convert, how to receive payment internationally. I'm going to link those videos in the description of this video, and again if you can't find them, ask in the comment section of the video. So I also receive money through cryptocurrency. It's easier, it's faster, and it's safe, because I have never had any problem with that up until now. Another way that I receive money internationally is through Seller. So Seller is also an online platform right here. in Nigeria, and you can receive money from different countries. Like I receive money, like this is my bookstore right now, books that I've published. So I receive money in USD, I receive money in GBP, and all that, Ghana cedis, from Tanzania, from all the African countries right here with seller. So sometimes if I find out that the person that I'm rendering service to is within all these African countries and the person is finding it difficult, all I would do is I would just come to my seller account and I would just immediately uh, create a payment page so that the person can just easily pay me my money and seller will just take out of it. And again, I have a detailed video that I did on how to publish, how to create a payment page on seller and all that. Okay, another way I also receive money on the internet is from my local bank account straight, especially when I get a client from Facebook. I give them my own bank account. So I use GT Bank. I know GT are not paying me for this free advert. I use GT Bank and I have GT Bank dollar card. Okay, and in the description I'll also drop for you the information that you are going to be needing in order for you to have a dollar account and dollar mastercard from GT, as well as the information you need to give the person that is making payment to you. But that one used to take up to 7 days before the money land in your bank account. So if you find this video helpful, please, I beg of you, give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. And again, as you can see right here, I have different videos like this one. I have a training how to create a website for free without paying domain name. You don't have to pay for hosting. You just pay 2,000 naira training fee. The link I will drop in the description of this video. Currently I have some ebooks that I have that goes for 500 naira. There are books that I have for free if you want to learn beginner's guide to email marketing. If you want to learn how to write and say publish your book on Amazon like a pro, I have an ebook. I also have an online course on that. I will link them in the description of this video. I have different books on POS business, on how to make all this hand sanitizer and all that, from idea to all-round harvest and much more. I also have online courses if you want to kickstart your YouTube channel like this one and you want someone to hold you by the hands and someone to guide you. And I would not lie to you, most of this information you can get it also for free, but you know, when you need, sometimes you need an accountability partner, and that person can be me. So thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you all. Please go ahead and like this video, go ahead and share it. You never know the soul of who you'll be saving by sharing this video. Okay, another payment that you can also use to receive payment is Stripe, but Stripe is also not accepted in Nigeria. And again, for PayPal, there are a lot of people that are still running their PayPal account right here from Nigeria, but the only thing you need to do is you ensure that you have a family or friends that are abroad that can open the account for you and send you the details so that you can be receiving payment. I hope you find value in this video. I know it's a long one, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.